Hello Veggie Fam! If you're new here, I'm Rose from VeggieRose.com. Welcome. Also, if you like delicious plant-based dishes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell so you'll be notified every time a new video goes up, which is once or twice a week, depending on how much deliciousness is coming out of my kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a vegan Korean ground beef recipe, which is amazing. It has become one of our family favorite dinner staples, as well as a meal prep lunch for myself. I will make this dish and I will prep it and leave it in the fridge, and then for lunch I'll just whip up some really quick white rice and have it like that when the kids are in school. This stuff is amazing and it's just so let's get into it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys make this recipe and enjoy it as much as we do. Also, if you do, don't forget to tag me on Instagram, #VeggieFam @VeggieRose. I will talk to you guys very soon. And yeah, have a beautiful day. I love you. Bye.